Hey guys, welcome to our channel Travel Cassette. Here I'm in Chandigarh and today I'll be starting my first solo ride to one of the popular locations in India, Spiti Valley. I'm very excited because this is my first bike ride on the Himalayan roads. This is my route plan. So I hope this will be an amazing road trip. Okay, let's get started. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon below. This is my Yamaha FZ 250cc with few custom modifications. I'll give you more details about the customizations and protective gear in my next video. Sorry guys, unfortunately I was unable to record videos from Chandigarh as my GoPro had some issues. Right now I'm near Narakand going to Gateway of Kinnaur, which has a very famous rock tunnel road. It will take approximately 3 hours to reach there from here. These are very narrow roads. As you can see, there is no much room for vehicles to pass, so please be cautious on edges while riding. And also be patient when there are any heavy vehicles ahead of you.
I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, but love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
There are good number of fuel pumps in this route, but always make sure you have enough petrol in the bike. I just now passed a small town Zhiyun, about 16 km from Zhiyun to the right at an elevation of approximately 7,000 feet. One can reach another small town, Sarahan, which has a famous Bhimkali temple to visit. Also nearby there is a Dhank wildlife sanctuary. Check out these places if you are interested and add to your trip plan.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, but love is blind. I thought I saw you smile. touch, then we ignite. Let the flame fill the night. You and me light up the sky. 'Cause we are fire and we're burning. Won't put it out, even though we're hurting. Let the flame fill the night. When we touch, then we ignite.
Guys, here I am. I have reached the Gateway of Kinnaur, and this is the famous rock tunnel.
Let the flame fill the night. When we touch, then we ignite. Let the flame fill the night. You and me light up the sky. 'Cause we are fire and we're burning. Won't put it out, even though we're hurting. Let the flame fill the night. When we touch, then we ignite.
This is famous Tranda Dhank road, which was constructed in 1950 using only hand tools, and it stretches around 2.5 kilometers.
When we touch, then we ignite. When we ignite.
So that's it guys for this video. I'll continue this journey in my next video. If you have any queries or suggestions, please write down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.